Hello everyone. My name is Bakyt Ustelbayev. I'm a project manager and a web developer of ABC team. Today we're gonna talk about final version of our project. Our project is AutoCommunity. Let me present. In this project, we will introduce with waterfall. So what is the waterfall? Waterfall is one of the methodology of project management. So waterfall has 5 stages. So the first stage is requirement gathering and the documentation. Here we collect all the information about our project requires, that is assess needs, define actions, monitor and review. The second stage is system design. Here we using the requirements, we go to the design of our website. So the third stage is implementation. Here we take information from previous stage, it's system design, and create a functional website. So stage number 4 is testing. Here we correct all errors of our project and we worked on bugs. The last stage is deployment. It says that the product is complete and ready to show. Now Akyl will show you the final version of our project. So Akyl, please start.
Thank you, Bakyt. Do you see my screen? Okay, hello everyone. My name is Akyl Mukatay, and I'm a web designer and a web developer in our team. The design according went to plan, and the design was created step by step. Next, here is the mood board. In the mood board, I shown all design elements that were used to create a website. For example, fonts, colors, and any pictures. The following is the wireframes of the site. We create it with the team. Everyone shared the ideas. In the end, we agreed on this opinion. Then focusing on these wireframes, focusing on these wireframes, I created the initial design of the site and presented it to my team. And some elements have been changed. After that, I started create the final design. And the design of the site took into account UI and the UX, and I used Figma, Balsamiq, and Adobe Illustrator programs to create the design. One second, please. And this is our final product, final design of website, and this is our site. And now let's go through our website design step by step. And the share engine immediately catched our eyes, and the style and the design of the search engine coincides with the philosophy of the site. It is located very well, and which gives us a great view of Mercedes CLS. Below are minimally shown all sections, for example, новости, board journal, video, and so on. Next step is fonts. And the fonts have been selected to make it easy to read and beautiful. The main thing is that is human eye took. Next is pictures and the colors. I matched the background and the colors so that they matched well. From these colors were created. Next is proportion. All elements are in the site proportional. Next is buttons. I arranged the buttons so that they were visually clear and simple. For example, больше новостей and больше видео, for example, and all buttons are in place. Next is icons. Icons is Facebook, Instagram, and social media icons, so much website design. And next is header. All the necessary sections are located on it, and the sections are visually clear and have animation when pointing the mouse arrow, for example, in video and word journals and so on. And this minor feature is our grade to help to user both physically and visually. And the next feature of our design is the background. I made them so that it was beautiful and visually pleasing. Each section has a unique backgrounds, and the pictures also show our Kazakhstan cars, example Mercedes and this one. And the next section is борт-журналы, новости, and the video. And стоит прочитать, all sections and all statuses are visually clear. And after developing of design, we all started creating a website, because we are all web developers, and we did the development of the site together. Thank you your attention. That's all. And the next is Sultan. Sultan, you can start.
Thank you, Akyl. Hello, everyone. My name is Aldiyarbek Sultan. I am a SEO specialist and web developer of ABC team. I worked on each section and made sure that the correct text was written in all sections. And I checked all the technical work of designers and copywriters and programmers. The design of our site is impressive. The task of our programmers is to develop a section of stolen cars and create a personal account for the user. The most important section in our project is the anti-ugon section. We have a developer section that shows stolen cars. You can also take part in this operation. You have developed a personal account for users. In the Стоит прочитать section, there are very interesting historical moments and unusual background. In the борт-журналы section, you can find all the reviews of different motorists. You can also leave your own. There is a video about cars. You can watch interesting content and about the auto industry here. And that's all. Thank you for attention.
Do you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me show. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So also we had also last week we had comments from experts. We had a little bit problems. So let me show you. The first comments was about button YT, because in previous version we don't have it. Now we add it. If you see, the next problem was about button больше новостей. On previous version, this button was here, and it was difficult to read, difficult to see. Now we moved it to here. Now I think it's looks like better. And also about button больше video, the same problem. In previous version, this button was here. Now it's here. And the main part in our website is anti-ugon. Here we have a problem. We forget to add a list of stolen cars. In previous version we don't have it. Now as you can see, now we added. This is the cars that was stolen. So this is the amount of sum, about color. We added here information about car, where it was stolen, the when. So now we added this. So I think I can show all buttons. All buttons is working. Section news, section board journal, and here we changed the search because in previous version it looked like not good, so now we changed it and we changed these ones. So
here in section стоит прочитать вот here board journal in section of board journal and новости information about what cars is not visibly, and here we
changed it.
Yes, changed it.
Now yes, Akyl is right. Now we changed the letters. Now it's easy to read. For example, here. Now let me show these ones here. Now as you see, you can read texts very easy. So that's all. I hope that is our project looks good, I think. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.